Ever wondered why your scroll compressor overheats, or why the suction pressure slowly rises again after a pump down? One small but vital component could be responsible: the DTC valve, or Discharge Temperature Control valve. Welcome to PartsHnC, your trusted source for HVAC and refrigeration repair knowledge. Today, we'll look at how the DTC valve works and how to troubleshoot performance issues related to it. Low-temperature scroll compressors are compact and don't have enough metal mass to naturally release the heat produced during compression. To keep the compressor cool, manufacturers use liquid refrigerant injection controlled by the DTC valve. The valve includes a temperature-sensing bulb placed in the compressor dome. When the dome temperature reaches about 194 degrees, the valve opens and injects refrigerant vapor into the scroll set to cool it down. In simple terms, the DTC valve is the compressor's built-in cooling system. Troubleshooting becomes important when the suction pressure rises after pump down. A brief rise of 6 to 10 psi is normal, but if the pressure continues increasing steadily, it indicates unwanted refrigerant or discharge gas leaking back into the compressor. The two most common causes are debris blocking the compressor's check valve, or contamination inside the DTC valve, causing it to stay partially open. To pinpoint the issue, perform a simple isolation test. During pump down, before the compressor shuts off, close the ball valve feeding the DTC valve. If the system pumps down and holds pressure steady, the DTC valve is the problem. Clean the internal screen, and if needed, replace the valve. If the pressure still rises even after isolating the DTC valve, then the internal check valve inside the compressor is leaking and may require replacement. So, while the DTC valve is small, it plays a crucial role in preventing overheating and maintaining reliable operation. For trusted commercial HVAC and refrigeration parts, visit PartsHnC.com. Follow us on social media for expert appliance repair tips from PartsHnC. Thanks for watching.